I'm Danielle Chevalier and I own Urban Surf and Sketch Art Workshop with my husband Chris. For Sketch, I had just opened. So we opened in November and then COVID hit in, what was it, like middle of March? It was going and we were so excited, and then that kind of hit and we were like, oh my gosh, like what's going on? And we're like, okay, it'll just be a couple weeks, we'll just pause it. And then it just became this like refund city. Urban Surf normally opens May 1st, and last year we couldn't open till, I think it was like mid-June, end of June, we were phase 1, so we got to open up. So now here we have Sketch going on, Urban Surf going on, people have been like kind of hiding on their homes. It just became this like fun, like little like vacation spot. So we started offering like paddle and paint nights, so people would paddle and then come back and paint pottery. We did bike cruises where we'd go bike somewhere, kind of do some art at like a park or on a bench, and it was just small groups. Everyone was social distance, so it was good. We were outside, I set people up separate, and we do art that way. So that was a new thing we brought. We're super stoked because we have Carrots and Dates now taking over Smoothie Bar. Chris and I have ran that for the past 8 seasons, so and we love it and we'll kind of miss it. It was kind of like a hard thing to do, but a partnership with another great business, it's like just brings like more love to our spot, and it's gonna bring a lot of their people and our people, and we're really excited to do some cool like kind of like fun events with them. So we want Urban Surf this summer to be a spot where people can come and they feel like they're on vacation. Since we can't travel right now, we want it to be like that vacation never ends at Urban Surf. Little art, little fitness, fresh drinks, and we're all about love there and making people feel good. And so when they leave, they're kind of like, I don't know what just went on down in that place, but I feel really good.